It's RV inspection day, and today we are in Sanford, Florida, about to inspect this Grand Design ST391DLR. Now, we don't know what we're going to find. You don't know what we're going to find. Stick around to the end so you see what we found today. I can tell you one thing. In my walkthrough, this is one gorgeous floor plan. Stick around to the end.
All right, so first things first, this vent, you can't close it, so that's part of the deal. That's how it is. Quick glimpse for me, walk through quickly. There's a couple of things that I saw that is, something's been hit on there. Rubber of some sort, I don't know what it is. Walking quickly, I saw some residual that the manufacturer leaves, and that's what I want to address. First things first, there's two subjects that people are afraid, or you can see people are embarrassed when you want to talk about those two words. So those two words are praying, makes people uncomfortable. Are you praying? Are you God people? Are you? So praying and cussing. Those are two words that people are always afraid to address. Well, my wife learned how to pray to make sure that I'm not cussing when we're doing those videos. But she's editing, so you guys are safe. So that's one thing. Second of all, I want to show you this. Here's the thing that I see the minute I open this, and that's what brings me to my next topic. See, everything left the shop. They're on their own. They got to do everything. I just pulled this up, and I'm finding all kind of crap down there, and I'm thinking, okay, well, that's the manufacturer, so they wash their hands out of this. So this is how you find stuff. So this came like this from the manufacturer. I took this off because I'm going to check my batteries right away. But this is how it comes. So you tell me, and this is Grand Design, and I can't put them down, they're like everybody else. This is the kind of crap that we end up with. You tell me that whoever did this, they did a PDI before they left the unit in Indiana somewhere. Here's the deal. For me, dealerships, why do they end up with those brands, and why do they not complain about the quality? It's simple. We had somebody commenting about that, and that's why I needed to bring it up. They don't comment because they want the brand. They want the image. So whenever Grand Design finally says, yeah, okay, I'm allowing you to, as a dealer, to have this line. I'm allowing you to. That's the problem of the market. All those dealerships want all those top-notch brand that they think is top-notch, that's gonna bring them sales. That's why we end up with piece of crap delivered to the dealership, and the dealership says, no, it's perfect, it's nice, it was perfect when it showed up here. And then they're pissed at the inspector because we bring up all those details that weren't addressed. So, and by the way, this is the place where we're at, and they actually applied this sticker. It's been PDI'd. We'll see. I already showed you how all the crap is everywhere. So if that was PDI, I don't know what they do for PDI. Let's go see what we have at lunchtime. All right, midday. So I've got a little something. I'm kind of pissed. I'd like to know who was on this production line. Let's go show you what I got. And I'm telling you, it ain't funny. I don't understand the company. I don't get it. Are you kidding me? On the corner of this roof, on the roof, I only had a little thing. We'll try to show, I'll get a little video and a little picture. And the other thing I have is this bracket here. There's a screw missing right about there. Hopefully you saw, but so that's my point. Listen, you know those numb nuts that you have on a production line that shouldn't be there? Well, let me tell you this. This didn't have any numb nut on this production line. Laurel and I have been talking back and forth today, and this is kind of phenomenal. I mean, everybody was on it that day. This production, this unit, so far in all the units we've done, for me, okay, I haven't done the frame yet. I'm gonna go in there, and I saw some rust, but that's probably because they drove it in Indiana when it was calcium, because it was built in November. So that's probably just a thing. But this is phenomenal. I got 2 volts of hot skin, so nothing negligible. Not even 1 volt actually, 0.02 volt. Propane is perfect. I mean, it's like whoever was working on that lane, that's the kind of lane they should have constantly. And that's Grand Design. Laura and I talk about that. We see that more consistently on Grand Design. They make an effort compared to all the other brands. And we're not promoted to say that. This is just what we see. If you don't want to know, don't ask. That was my outtake so far. Let's go see what Laurel has inside. That, I don't have a clue yet.
It's lunchtime, and I've got to tell you, I'm wicked excited. I can't believe the amount of things I've not found. This is solid. I'm really happy. Can't wait to see what the end of the day brings. So going through here, yes, we came in this morning and there is what I would, I'd say it's grease, but I can't tell you it's grease, but it looks it to me. And there was stuff all over the floors, you know, pieces of paper, and I don't know why they leave it like that. And then I open up drawers and I find a wad of stuff. They just, rather than use the garbage, they just wad it up and leave it for the customers, I guess, as a gift. As I'm inspecting today, you know, I started with my ceilings, my trim work, all of my cupboards, everything was perfect, A-okay. Then I thought, you know, maybe I'll save my water till the end of the day. Nope, I'm gonna start the water right away. So I went into the master bathroom and the sink held water, the ceiling was all there, everything was perfect. So let me check the toilet. Now a lot of times we come in and there's tape that's holding the toilet seat down, and in this particular situation there was no tape. And when I lifted the seat, what did I find? Urine. Yes, urine. I know what urine looks like and I know what urine smells like, and that's exactly what it is. So I'm like, whatever. So nothing leaked though, that was great. And then I started with the shower, and what do you suppose happened? Yes, 2 leaks, both corners, and it was a little bit of a flood going on there, but as you can see right here, I carry all my towels with me, so I was able to clean it up right away, because you want to make sure to get that moisture off your floor if this happens to you when you're in your camper. So then they have a second bathroom, and I went in there and I did that. Shower, the sink, everything was perfect, no leaks. Guess what was on the toilet? They sealed it with tape. That one was still sealed. No urine in that toilet, and it did not leak. So that was great. I'm really excited for the rest of the afternoon. I have all my appliances to do and all of my furniture, but so far, I'm telling you, the amount of things I found is so minimal. It's like nothing. Grand Design, I want to say at the end of the day, great work. So we'll see you at the end of the day.
All right, end of the day recap. It's one of those days that we were looking forward to for the longest time. So I was just talking to a salesperson that we see once in a while, and this is a consistency lately in Grand Design. And like I was saying earlier, if they only knew what that line of production, those people that were there, could be consistent and always do this line, it would be phenomenal. I found just a couple of other things, like my AC in the front that has a reading to put the heat on, which actually should be just an AC unit because I saw it on the roof. So it didn't have a furnace, but I thought, all right, maybe it's hooked up to a heat pump. And no, it's not a heat pump, it does nothing. So I think somebody screwed up and put the wrong control. So that's the only thing I can address physically. Kudos for Grand Design. Wow, I'm stunned and impressed. It's solid. Looking at it, walking in it, you can see that whoever was on that production line, every one of them were consistent. Hey, I'll give them that. This was probably one of the nicest units that we've ever done, Laurel and I think she's gonna agree with me. Let's go check what she's got inside.
So it's the end of the day, and I can tell you that I'm just as happy on the inside as Pierre is on the outside. I don't have a ton of stuff to say, which is really great for our customers. They can feel confident that when they get in this unit and they head down the road, they're not going to have a fail along the trail. So let's just start here. This window right here, extremely hard to open. It wasn't just me, Pierre also, so it was kind of really stuck. And as I said earlier today with the shower, so the shower was leaking on both sides. So coming in here, we had the leak here, and then way here in the back in the corner that came right out here, which I did wipe up, of course. So we had that leak in the shower. And then all day long, I kept going down the stairs. You know how I laugh when Pierre falls? Well, I thought I was gonna fall. So all day long, I come down the stairs and I thought, gosh, these stairs are so wiggly and wobbly. Well, Pierre came in, took one step in, and what do you think happened? It broke. This is incredibly flimsy. Trust me, I don't weigh a hell of a lot, and I was not enjoying stepping on those stairs. Something that just needs to be fixed. Obviously, it shouldn't have been like that to begin with, but we're the ones that had to find out. The rest of my water systems didn't leak. All my electrical outlets worked. No rips or tears or anything in my sofas and my chairs. So really super happy with Grand Design. I can just give it 2 thumbs up on that. As far as stow and go, the beauty of the stow and go is that when these slides come in, they come in flush right here to this counter. I can still get to this side of my refrigerator. Not this side because it's kind of cut here, but this side of the fridge, and we can still get to the bathroom. So if you've got some kids and you're stopped, you can still get lunch out, still get back in the truck, go to the bathroom, and go. So stow and go, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up on that. If you enjoy our videos, we would love it if you'd hit subscribe, tell your friends, share it with them, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. If you don't know what to say, just put C4BO, comment for Blue Walks. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey.